It's time. The adventure begins.
Bye.
20.
I take it you're driving first?
Yeah.
Oh, my toys. I want all my toys with me.
How far are we driving today?
Today we are driving 577 miles. It says 8 hours and 13 minutes. I can take an hour off of that.
But we got to stop at Starbucks first, right?
Of course.
Okay.
They just don't care, and it's okay. And you know, and so people get to.
Look, it even says P for parking.
So what are you thinking about?
But I hope no troopers come by.
Is it
I
windy
hope
out
they're
there?
not filming.
Is it windy out there?
I knew it.
Is it windy out there?
The door's blocking the wind from being a problem.
Oh, okay.
In the car.
Oh, okay. What kind of sandwich you gonna get?
I don't know yet.
Oh, are we there yet?
Almost.
I'm hungry.
Shut up.
Are you mad at me?
No. I love you. Even if I want to slap you.
Good God, man. What? You want some water?
No.
That is a shit ton of peeing.
I've had 55 ounces of water already today.
Okay. I have a serious question.
Okay.
Did you wash your hands? Stop touching me!
How's that for washing my hands? I wiped them off on you.
God.
Okay, so rest stop and modern rest area are two separate things, and
Look, it even says P for parking. P.
see? Well, all I did was follow the sign.
Nation is on the right.
In-room coffee.
Ooh.